Hey guys, welcome back to Pit Cruise. Today you're in for a treat. I'll be showing you how a 9-year-old does an oil change in 9 minutes. Let's get to it.
All right, so today to do the oil change, this car requires 6 quarts of OW20. We got a new filter to go in. JoJo's going to be using a socket wrench with a 32mm socket to remove the oil filter right here. And then this is a new drain plug, always recommended to remove and replace when you do the oil change. Little drain plug tool that came with a whole kit of these. And this is just in case we need a little assistance getting the new rubber ring on our oil filter. So Joe, start jacking her up. Let's go.
All right, so all right. We're under the frame of the jack point and we'll be jacking it up.
Is right here on the Volkswagen Tiguan. You can see there's a little frame rail, and that's what we're putting the pressure on. Go right ahead, bud.
By the way, we got 2 jacks. Alright, so now we just gotta pull that drain plug right there.
So this is our oil pan drain plug. We're gonna insert this little removal tool. JoJo is going to back that tool out.
Right here?
Yep, you're gonna turn it to the left.
Ooh, that's hot.
Pull it all the way out, let it flow.
Oh crap.
That's it.
Remove this engine cover, and then we're gonna use a socket wrench to pull the oil filter off. Where is it? Now you can pull it out by hand. With that time.
Let it drain in there. And when we do this, hold on. I got it, baby. We're just gonna flip it over so we don't get oil all over. All right. Got that?
Oh, this is so black.
Okay, hang on, babe.
Where should I put this?
You're gonna put the old one in the box. Hang on. Give me that. Take the excess oil, pour that oil into the drain pan under the car so it's drained out. It's good enough. Good job. Okay. Now this little tool here, we're going to use this. There's a gasket right here that JoJo's going to basically slip this under and pull that old gasket off.
Sorry about this, guys. This is my first time working on my mom's rules. It doesn't mean
This way because it's dripping. You're good.
this is that really good. Well, this is kind of like the first time I'm doing an air filter on the car.
Good. This one's garbage. Now this one's got to go back over in the same spot. So you're going to work it around. Want me to help you?
No, I'm good.
So it's got to go right back in that channel. Let's put it over the car. Come on.
There we go.
All the way down. Is it in the same spot?
Nope.
So we want to make sure that this filter is right in that little channel there. I got it. Now, one thing that we should do, and it'll make it easier to remove the filter next time, and you could slide that right in there. Okay, so that's fully compressed in, which is good.
All right, you're gonna wanna put a bead of oil. You're gonna stick your finger in here and put a bead of oil on.
Right on the gasket that we just installed.
Oh.
So what this will do is it'll just make it a lot easier to remove when it's ready for the next oil change. Also, it's going to make sure that it's properly sealed. So I'm going to get Joseph started right here, and then he could tighten it down with the wrench. Go ahead, bud. It's all you.
Is this lefty loosey, righty tighty?
That's righty tighty. So with the oil filter, we just got to make sure it's nice and snug. We don't have to crush it.
That good?
A little more if you can get like quarter turn out of it. Come on, put your muscles into it.
It's this thing. I
Let me
can't.
see. He did a good job. That's nice and tight. That's all we need. All right, now we're going to go back under the car. We're going to install our new drain plug with the drain plug tool. Fill up the oil, check it. All right, so new drain plug right here. I'm going to insert the drain plug tool into the back of it. And this guy just goes in. And you can see where there's a notch on the drain plug and a notch on the bottom of the drain, so that's in line. Again, it's plastic, you don't need to torque it down. It's seated properly. I'm just going to give it a little wipe to make sure there's no oil dripping. Now we're going to remove the jack stands, lower the jacks, get the car down, and fill her up.
All right, I'll lower the jacks. Let the car down and look at it.
Nice and easy, good job. Pull the jack out of the way. Get the other one. A little fast. Pull it out. All right, let's fill her up with oil.
Can I have that?
Do you want me to help you start pouring it? Because this one's a little heavy.
Oh, I'm strong. That would be okay.
Go nice and easy when you pour it.
I got it.
Gotta lift it back a little. Slow. Good. Keep it like that. You got the bottle?
Yeah.
Can I let go?
Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
Hold it from the handle. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
I got it.
Keep the front of the bottle down. You're pouring oil on the engine, bud. You want to lift the back of the bottle. Got it?
Hmm? Whole thing?
Whole thing. That's a whole 5 quarts going in. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Let's get the next one ready. This guy here. Can you make this one in there?
Yeah. Whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Well, this thing takes a lot of oil.
Yep. Jump in the funnel. You just poured it all over the engine. So, Mommy's car's going to be burning oil in a minute.
All right.
Take that, put it on the cardboard over there. What'd you do?
Just did an oil change.
Get some of that excess oil off. All right. So now we just need to start it up, cycle the oil through the engine. We'll shut it off. We'll check with the dipstick, make sure it's good, put the engine cover on, and reset the odometer.
All right. Can I? All right. So now that we did the oil change and everything, we're gonna reset our indicator light. All right, so you wanna make sure everything's closed. And then you're gonna hold down this button with the key, no foot on the brake.
And do what with the key? Turn it to the on position?
Yep.
What happens on the dashboard? Hit the 00 again, reset. The service was reset. Okay, so now it's reprogrammed. After the car does its cycle for 10,000 miles, it'll indicate that the oil change is due, or 365 days, whatever's first. Start it up, bud.
Brake.
Yep. All right, so now we're just gonna let the car run through and warm up. We're gonna be checking that oil after it cycles through the engine, make sure that we're level.
All right, thank you for watching at Pit Cruise.
Well,
See
we
you
still
next
gotta
time.
check the oil. We're not done yet.
Oh.
And the engine cover's gotta go back on.
All right, let's do it.
Open the door, pop that hood. Hood release is right there. Pull that forward.
This?
Nope. Right over there. Pull that. All the way. Good job.
So now we need to check the oil of the dipstick.
Where is it? Push it all the way back in. Let's check it again. Go ahead. Push it all the way down. All the way until you feel the click. No. All the way. Good. Now pull it out. Ah, a little tough, huh?
Are you ready?
Come on, dude. Seriously?
I did it before.
You better put your muscle shirt back on.
All right.
Wow.
What?
Come on. This is going on there.
Before
This
I
is
did
great.
it.
We might be at 10 minutes for this video instead of 9 just because we're having some technical difficulties.
I'm joking.
Huh?
Before I did it.
Can we get it done in under 11 minutes now?
Stop.
You want a little help from Daddy?
Yeah, my
All right.
fingers hurt.
There you go. This is how easy it is. All right. So
Before I did it, didn't I do it before?
you did. All right. So let me check. Hold on. Don't
I
never.
know.
You got to hold it level. And what we're looking at is the hatch lines on this side here. So you can see we're more than about 3/4 there. So we're good. We might have to top it off with about another 1/2 quart. But we are looking good. So oil's done in Mommy's car. And this is how a 9-year-old does an oil change in 9 minutes.
All right, thanks for watching at Pit Cruise. See you
Have a
next
great
time.
night. Close the hood. Boom.